Hey everyone, John Daly. I'm at TMC Technologies HQ today, and you're not going to believe what's happening today. We are welcoming the 2026 intern class here at TMC Technologies. We have 9 interns working for us the whole summer of 2026, and some are going to be at the NASA IV&V program in Fairmont, and some are going to be working right here at our headquarters office. Why don't we just take a look around and see what's happening?
My name is Martina Wood. I'm a program manager here at TMC. I've been working here for almost 10 years. I started out as an intern whenever I was 19 years old at NASA.
And you guys are in a really, really cool place. You're going to be working with some of the best people I've ever experienced working with.
Each of you will be given what we call a project plan. So it's literally a list of things each week that you're going to be doing, what you're going to focus on.
I am still majoring in mechanical and aerospace at WVU. I'm entering my sophomore year.